Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about 5 proven methods to make a passive income in 2018. You might have not heard about any of them before, so if you want to really know about it, just keep continuing with this video. Let's get started. Okay, so the first method what I would suggest, and it's genuine, is Amazon Mechanical Turks. MTurk is a really awesome way to make money. Amazon actually outsources the jobs which needs a human intelligence. Basically anything related to finding a website address or category, or there are several people around the world which actually post their work on Amazon Turk, and then you can just register and apply for them and then make money. The rewards are already listed here, how you will get the rewards in your Amazon account. So it's pretty easy to go and start working yourself by spending some time online. Okay, so the next one is Teespring. Now this one is one of my favorite because that actually reduces all of your e-commerce work which you need to do except designing. So basically Teespring is a website where you have several inventory available, several product types and stuff. So you just have to register yourself and then pick up a category. Let's say for an example, if I go and pick up apparel, start with this. Then what you could do is you can just create your own design on this t-shirt. For an example, I will create HLO, or I'll just upload art, or anything. Let's stick with the word here. This is done, and then base cost for this t-shirt is £6.54, and the moment I click on the sell this, it shows me how much profit I'll make if I sell 50 of them. If I reduce the numbers, then this is how much I will make. You can actually reduce the price of the t-shirt also. That will affect obviously on your estimated profit, and then you can launch a Facebook ad campaign for this t-shirt, and then you can make money out of it. You can also select your fulfillment center to US or EU, which actually ships the whole products to the customers. Right now, if you click on next, it will show you where you want to host this product, and then you can title it. For an example, if I say HLO t-shirt, and then select a category of apparel, and then not a robot, and launch, and that way your product is actually launched on Teespring URL which you have selected for, and it will show you how many days are left to buy this product. So you can see that you can share this particular URL to your campaign, and then anybody can buy it from here. Okay, perfect, nice. So this is the second method I make money online with. The third and very interesting method is Instagram shoutouts. Now the Instagram shoutouts are amazing. You just have to first build a list of followers here. Now remember one thing, that this is going to take a while, because while creating the Instagram account and then making sure you increase your followers, you can actually buy your followers also. I don't recommend it, but then this is how you can increase the number of followers. The moment you have more followers, you'll be listed here, and then register on this website called shoutcar.com, and then people will search for you and then ask you for any kind of jobs available, and then you can actually shout out for them and then make money out of it. Very easy money. It's simple and very effective. Fourth one, which is one of my favorite, which is this website called Sell Digital Products Online. This is a really amazing website. I mean, you just have to register with them and then click on your payment option and connect your payment option. They have Stripe and PayPal, and click on affiliates. The moment you click on affiliates, you will be shown the product which is listed on this website. And then you have 40% share on £2 product. So whatever product you're selling, this product, this has been already sold 93 times, and then it has 159 reviews. You can actually go and see the product also. I guess so here, and then all the details are here. But more importantly, this owner of this product is sharing 40% of the revenue. So the only thing you have to do is you have to click on the promote button, and then that will give you your affiliate link, which you can just share with your friends and family, and then ask them to purchase this product and put it on your blog or your article, and that's it. It will stay in their cookie, and whenever they buy it, you make 40% of whatever amount. So you can actually filter these products with how much profit you want to make on top of the product prices. The last one is Shout. This one is Swagbucks, which is again very famous portal where you can go and register yourself, and then you can do polls, you can do surveys, you can watch videos, and if you're doing shopping online, you can click on the links provided on the Swagbucks for Amazon or eBay, and then make purchases, and that way you can save money also. But this is something which you just use alternative to Google. I mean, if you even just search the web, then also they will give you SBs, which will convert into money, right? So these are the 5 methods you can make money online, and they are genuine. So just quickly a recap. First one is Amazon MTurk, where you can find job for yourself and then do the restful. Second one is where you can create your own designs for the t-shirts or any other products like mobile bags and other stuff and sell it online. Third one is you can make money out of shouts, Instagram shouts. Fourth one is you can select a product to promote and then make money as per the creator's choice, how much he or she wants to share. And the last one is the Swagbucks, where you can search the web and watch videos and see advertisement and fill the surveys and then make money. Okay, so give me your shout on the comments if you like the video, and then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.